Look at this creator. He's making high-quality survival documentary videos. And check this out. This single long-form video gained 1.7 million views in just 1 month. And yes, this channel is fully monetized. Now imagine the earnings. The estimated revenue of this creator is in the thousands of dollars every single month. Now this creator didn't just upload one lucky video and disappear. Almost all of his videos are getting massive views. Look at this, 800K views, 250K views, 200K views, 125K views. And the craziest part? He uploaded only 34 videos and gained 4.5 million views. Now, why are these videos getting so many views? Let me show you. Look at these titles. What happens if you spend 24 hours in -71 degrees Celsius? How humans survive in extreme frozen temperatures. In short, this creator makes videos about extreme survival situations, extreme cold, extreme weather, and how humans survive in impossible environments. Now listen carefully. You do not need to copy the exact same cold weather topic, because if everyone makes the same videos, nobody wins. Instead, you can choose your own survival theme. For example, how humans survive in deep jungles, how life would be in burning deserts, how people survive alone on islands, how humans survive in the middle of the ocean. The main concept stays the same, but your ideas can be completely unique. And today, I'll teach you how to create these cinematic survival documentaries using only your mobile phone and completely free AI tools. I'll also show you how to maximize views on these videos. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more powerful AI content strategies, and definitely smash the like button if you learned something valuable from this video. To create videos like these, the first thing you need is powerful ideas. Normally, you'd spend hours researching, but I already did the hard work for you. In my video description, you'll find an idea prompt. This prompt generates 20 survival documentary ideas instantly. For example, life in -71 degrees Celsius, life inside the Amazon jungle, life in extreme desert heat. You can even create a mixed survival channel with different environments. Or you can focus on only one niche. For example, if you only want desert survival videos, simply delete the cold and jungle examples from the prompt and keep only the desert survival line. That way, the AI will generate only desert-related ideas. Now copy the prompt from the description. Go to Google and search for grok.com. Open it, paste the prompt into the prompt box and hit enter. And instantly, you'll get 20 powerful documentary video ideas generated. Look at these examples. Life near an active volcano, life deep underwater, life in the Sahara desert, living inside ice caves in the Himalayas. These are extremely engaging and high-retention video concepts. Now go back to my video description and you'll find a professional script prompt. Copy it, paste it into Grok. Inside the prompt, there's a section for your video title. Delete the placeholder title and paste your selected title. For example, what life would be like in the middle of a burning desert. Now hit enter, and boom, a professional-level documentary script starts generating automatically. The script includes a powerful intro, main body sections, a cinematic conclusion, and within seconds, you'll have a complete 10 to 12-minute documentary script ready. Now it's time to create visuals. Go back to the description again, and you'll find a third prompt called Prompt for Videos. Copy it, paste it into Grok, and hit enter. Now the AI generates 20 cinematic video prompts for you. These prompts will help us create AI-generated videos directly. No need to create images first and convert them later. But we won't rely only on AI videos. We'll also use stock footage for maximum realism. And look at this, the AI even gives you stock video keywords for every scene. That means you can instantly search and download matching footage. Now let's generate the voiceover. Copy your script, go to Google AI Studio. Right now, it's completely free and produces amazing documentary quality voices. Click Generate Native Speech, then choose Single Speaker Audio. Paste your script into the box, click Run, and your cinematic documentary voiceover starts generating instantly. Now go back to Grok and copy your first video prompt. Then go to Google and search for dreamina.com. Before opening the website, connect your VPN. Now open Dreamina. Click Create. Select AI video, Choose 16:9 ratio, paste your prompt and hit enter, and even with 0 credits, your AI video starts generating. Now copy your second prompt. This time, go to another AI website like Pixverse. Paste the prompt there, select 16:9 ratio, and click Create, and instantly the AI starts generating cinematic survival footage. Look at these results. The desert scenes, the cactus visuals, the atmosphere, everything looks insanely realistic. Now repeat this process for all 20 prompts. Generate multiple cinematic clips from both AI tools. Now scroll down to the keyword section generated by Grok. Copy your first keyword, go to stock footage websites like Pixabay, Pexels. Click the Videos section, paste your keyword into the search bar, and instantly hundreds of matching survival clips appear. Sand dunes, deserts, barren landscapes, extreme weather footage. Download whichever clips match your documentary. Now combine both AI-generated clips and real stock footage. This combination makes your documentaries look incredibly professional. Now it's time for editing. Open any video editor on your phone. First, place your voiceover on the timeline. Now listen carefully to the narration and place matching video clips according to the sequence. Now slightly zoom in on your clips for a cinematic feel. After that, generate captions. Click the Captions button, select Auto Generate, and instantly subtitles will appear automatically. Now customize the captions with different colors and presets. Then, download emotional background music from YouTube Audio Library. Add it to your documentary, lower the music volume slightly so the voiceover stays clear. Now, export your video in the highest resolution and save it to your phone. If you choose one survival niche and consistently upload videos, you can reach millions of views and build a highly profitable channel. But remember, massive success and massive earnings only come with consistency and hard work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and definitely share this video with your friends.